Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Korean style Brussels sprouts namul. Namul is a Korean style seasoned vegetables, if you know. The typical one is spinach, I believe. Of course, you can use any other vegetables. I recommend broccoli. However, in this video I wanted to share with you how to make it with Brussels sprouts because it is in season in Japan and it's amazingly delicious. You have to try it out. The sesame seeds and sesame oil smells really good and appetizing. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash Brussels sprouts, trim off the dirty end, then slice down the middle lengthwise. Add a teaspoon of salt in boiling water and cook Brussels sprouts for about 3 minutes. Drain well in a strainer and leave to cool. In a container, place Brussels sprouts. Season with quarter teaspoon of salt or a pinch of salt may be enough for you. A tablespoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Toss to coat, it smells really delicious. And now it's done, easy right? You can keep it in the fridge for about 3 days. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Iただきます。めっちゃめちゃやめられないぐらい美味しいです。絶対作ってみてください。塩加減がね、ちょっと適量でお好みで作ったらいいかなと思います。Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video.